Every day we make hundreds of decisions. From small choices like what to eat, to big ones like work or personal goals, these decisions use up our mental energy. When we make too many decisions, our brain gets tired. This is called decision fatigue. It makes it harder to think clearly, focus, and make good choices. Here are some easy ways to avoid decision fatigue and save your mental energy. 1. Plan ahead. Planning your day or week can reduce the number of decisions you have to make in the moment. For example, prepare your clothes the night before or plan your meals for the week. This way, you don't waste energy deciding what to wear or eat every day. Simplify your choices, limit the options you need to choose from. Too many options can be overwhelming. For example, if you are trying to decide what to eat, choose from 3 or 4 favorite meals instead of searching through many recipes. Make important decisions. Early. Your brain is freshest in the morning. Use this time to make important decisions. Avoid leaving big choices for later in the day when you might be tired or stressed. Create routines. Having daily routines means fewer decisions to make. When you follow a routine, your actions become automatic, saving your mental energy. For example, create a morning routine for exercise, breakfast, and work preparation. Take breaks. Regular breaks during work or study help recharge your brain. When you feel tired or overwhelmed, take a short walk, stretch, or do something relaxing. This helps you return with more mental energy. Limit multitasking. Trying to do many things at once uses more mental energy. Focus on one task at a time to reduce fatigue and improve your decision-making. Delegate or automate. If possible, delegate tasks or automate simple decisions. For example, use automatic bill payments or ask someone to help with errands. This frees up your mind for more important decisions. Practice saying no. Sometimes decision fatigue comes from taking on too many commitments. Learn to say no when you feel overwhelmed. Protect your time and energy. By using these simple tips, you can avoid decision fatigue, think more clearly, and save your mental energy for what really matters. Remember, your brain is like a muscle. Taking care of it helps you make better decisions every day.